Hello students, I wish you all are fine. Let's start with today's topic, addition with carryover. Do you know what is carryover? Yes, carryover means transfer a number from one place to another. Students, you have already studied double digit addition in class 2. See, there is a little poem for regrouping additions. Put your tens up high and your ones down low. Add them all together and you are ready to go. Solve it. This type of sums you have already done in class 2. So what you have to do? You have to add 45 plus 18. On one's position you can see 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 will be 13. So you keep this 3 over here and take this one up to the tens. 1 plus 4 plus 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1 will be 6. 63. You should use your fingers to add all these numbers. Let's start adding 3-digit number with carryover. Step 1. Suppose we have to add 274 and 149. So first we will arrange the number vertically in column. We have to arrange the number on their place value chart. Ones, tens and hundred. First you will write on your copy ones, tens and hundred, and then you will write the numbers according to their place value. Step 2. Add the ones first. 4 plus 9, that will be equal to 13. Keep this 3 under the ones column and take this 110 carry to the tens column. Step 3. Next, add the tens. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4 will be equal to 12. Keep this 12 under the tens column and take 1 carry to the hundreds column. Step 4. Finally, add the hundreds. 1 plus 2 will be equal to 3. 3 plus 1 will be equal to 4. So write this 4 on hundreds column. Hence, the sum is 423. Dear students, never forget to add the number you carry over. Let's take an example to better understand. Add 729 and 215. First arrange these numbers vertically in column. First write ones, tens and hundred. Start writing from your right hand side. Suppose you have to write 729. So start writing from your right hand side, that is ones place. Write this 9 on ones place, then this 2 on tens place and this 7 on hundred place. Again this 5 on ones place, this 1 on tens place and this 2 on hundred place. Now ones column, add 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 will be 14. So 14 ones will be equal to 110 and 4 ones. So write 4 under the ones column and take 1 10 to tens. Now tens column, 1 2 1. 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4. So there is no carry. So write this 4 on under the tens column and then add hundreds column. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 will be 9. Answer will be 944. Next example, add 332, 356 and 212. First, arrange in column. Write ones, tens, hundred on your copy. Now start arranging. First number 332. You have to start writing from your right hand side. First write 2, then write 3 and then write 3 on 100 place. Next come to the 356. From where you will start writing from your right hand side. First you have to write 6, then 5 and then 3. Again this 212 again arrange in that's the same way, 2 on ones place, 1 on tens place and 2 on hundreds place. Now add according to columns. First ones column. Take the ones columns, 2 plus 6 plus 2, that will be equal to 10. This 0 put under the ones column and this 1 take to the this one take carry to the tens place. So now 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5 will be 8, 8 plus 1 will be 9 and this carry 1 will be equal to 10. Keep this 0 over here and take 1 carry to hundreds place. Again 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Answer will be 9. So your answer is 900. Add 436, 291 and 183. What you will do at first? Correct. First you will arrange these numbers vertically in columns. You will write 436, 291 and 183 on ones, tens, hundred columns. Next step, you will add ones column. 6 plus 1 plus 3, that will be equal to 10. Write this 0 under ones column and take this one carry to tens. Now 3 plus 9 plus 8 plus this one carry, this will be equal to 21. Write this one under the tens column and take this 2 carry to hundreds column. Now finally we will add hundreds column. 4 plus 2 plus 1 and this 2 will be equal to 9 and with this 9 we will write under hundreds column. So your answer will be 910. Do these sums on your copy and present your work. Thank you students. Take care of your health and increase your immunity.